In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Skyrim Special Edition not launching or black screen. So first, you'll need to open Steam, then find the game. So I'll do this for this game, follow same steps for Skyrim. Right click on Skyrim and then go to Properties and then Install Files and then Browse. Over here, you'll see something like Skyrim.exe. Right click on it, Properties, Compatibility. Enable this option, then choose Windows 8, enable this one and this one, and then click apply and then click OK. Then relaunch the game through this place, through Steam, and before relaunching it, make sure that inside Task Manager that the game is not already launched. So if you see Skyrim already launched, make sure you exit it. So you can exit it by just clicking End Task. Also inside details, make sure it's not already running. If it is, just end process tree. And then you can launch it and it should work.